The status aerial features a booster system and is typically located in the wardrobe or in the cupboard above the fridge. A blue light illuminates to indicate it's active. The aerial is a directional aerial, which means you need to point it to the correct signal mast. If you're not sure where this is, you could check which way other caravan or motorhome aerials are pointing, and then match yours to suit. To alter the direction of the aerial, pull the aerial down. The front of the aerial is the opposite side to the menu. The menu indicates whether the aerial is horizontal, green, or vertical, red. To switch between horizontal and vertical, wind the lower white handle.